Hey, welcome to the video. This is Josh Zwagil, and I'm the founder of a brand called Akashx. And in this video, I'm going to talk about Akashx and why everybody should learn what I feel is the most important skill set, especially with what's going on in the economy right now. And this is just a very important skill set that everybody should learn. So first off, before I talk about Akashx and how you can take your trading game to the next level, I want to show you guys a little bit about this industry and why I got excited about building a brand specifically for trading in the foreign exchange and with cryptocurrencies as well. So first off, which banks trade Forex? I was shocked to find that some of the biggest banks in the world are trading Forex, like Citibank, JP Morgan, HSBC, Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, Morgan Stanley. And so what's really interesting is when you go to a bank and you deposit your money into a bank, a lot of banks are going to take that money and they're going to invest it in the financial markets. And so they may be trading Forex, they may be earning 5%, 8%, 10%, and a good portion of their assets could be traded in the financial markets. You can even see right here, banks trade Forex to make a profit and hedge exposure. And so your bank may only be giving you 1% or 0.5%, even though they're making a lot more trading Forex. And so I show this to you just to point out that if the biggest banks in the world have learned this skill set and they have departments, they have big buildings where there are people there that are dedicated to analyzing the market and making trades, then it's something that we should learn as well. Next thing I want to show you are some of the most successful Forex traders, the top 10 most successful Forex traders in the world. Number one is George Soros, who has profited over $1 billion in a single day, has a net worth of over $8 billion. This guy, Paul Tudor Jones, ranking number 2, has a net worth of $4.5 to $5 billion, has a macro trading style. This guy, number 3, you can see here, he has a net worth of $2 billion. And so on. Like this is a list of the top 10, both male and female, and their net worths are into the billions of dollars. Again, learning an important skill set of Forex trading. Then I look at what's going on in today's world where we have artificial intelligence. Goldman Sachs put out this year in 2024 that artificial intelligence may replace 300 million jobs across different sectors. So ordinary jobs that people have been doing for decades and decades could be gone, obsolete overnight from the introduction of AI. So I believe that whether you're looking to become a professional trader or you're looking to just do this part-time, do it around your schedule, it is an important skill set that everybody should learn. If you learn how to trade and you learn how to participate in the financial markets, you can literally make money from your cell phone, and you can do that anywhere in the world. And that's the reason why we created Akashx. We wanted to have a brand that made it easy and simple for the average person to get a membership to this platform, go through an academy, learn from professional educators, take trades, and start winning in the markets. So when you look at Akashx, I want to break down what are some of the things that are unique about this brand and how can you get started with this to start earning in the market. So first off, Akashx comes with an academy. So if you've never traded before, you can go through this academy. There's over 200 videos. They're translated into 18 different languages, and it's separated out. There's a beginner academy. There's an academy just for learning the different platforms. There's a guide to cryptocurrencies. There's an expert academy, an advanced academy. And our professional educators that work for Akashx have put together their own training series that teach very specific strategies for trading different instruments and different assets. Then we also have live sessions. So one of the things that our members really love is they can go through the academy on their own time, but they can also jump on a live session where our educators are live looking at the market, analyzing a particular asset, whether it's gold or it could be a Forex pair like the euro versus the USD. They'll be on a live session analyzing it. They call trades out on their live sessions. And so you can jump on these live sessions. They're all different time zones and they're in different languages, English, Spanish, French, and we also have the Slovak language as well. So you get plenty of live sessions to jump on if you're somebody that wants to learn how to trade. And then we also have trade alerts. Our trade alerts go into desktop. They also go right into our mobile app, so you can download the Akashx app. And when one of our educators sees a trade setup that they like, they call that trade setup, you get an alert right on your phone, and you can enter into those trades. And then we have a technology called Tap to Trade. And with Tap to Trade, you're able to connect your account into Akashx. And when an educator calls a trade out, you can one-click tap to approve and enter into those trades. We also have scanners if you want to become independent, you want to learn how to trade, and you want to use these scanners to make better trading decisions. You're able to do that as well. So when you get into Akashx, you get a beautiful back office that looks like this. It's very easy to navigate. It's all in one platform, so you don't have to go to a platform over here and one over here and a bunch of them. I've seen trading companies that have like 15 different places that you have to log into to access their suite of products. But here, it's all in one. And so this is what the Academy looks like. Again, it's in beginner, advanced, expert, cryptocurrencies. You can easily click on it. You can select your language. You can go through all of the different topics here and click on these videos. We also have the live sessions here. And so when you're ready to jump on a live session with our team of educators, they all start at different times. Some of them specialize in Forex. Some of them specialize in indices or commodities or Forex. And again, you can jump on any of these live sessions. If you ever miss a session, you can click on replays and watch all of the different replays. The trade alerts all get posted here. And so I just want to show you, like if you took this trade 3 hours ago from Joel, this one hit take profit 2, so you would have won this trade. If you took this trade 4 hours ago, it hit take profit 1 from Rich, you would have won that trade. If you took this trade, TP1 hit, this was 4 hours ago, you would have won this trade. If you would have took this trade 6 hours ago from Brent, this hit take profit 3 for 900 pips. This was a scalp on the NAS 100. He absolutely crushed it on this trade. And as you can see here, take profit 2, take profit 2, take profit 2, take profit 3. So you can easily come back here with trade alerts, copy the entry price, the stop losses, the take profits, and you can copy and paste these trade alerts. But we also have a platform called Tap to Trade. There's an easy video that you can watch, which is right here, that will teach you how to get connected into Tap to Trade, but it's compatible with MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and TradeLocker. You put your account email, your trading account ID, password, you select the broker name, server, and you can click connect. Once you're connected, these Tap to Trades are going to come through. There's a 2-minute expiration. And there's an approve button. It'll suggest the risk and the lot size to you based on your account balance. And you can one-click approve and get into those trades. And one of the things that's so amazing about this platform is we show you exactly how all of our educators are performing with their various trade setups. So for instance, you can click on a trader and you can see their total profit, how many trades they've won, what the distribution of assets are that they trade on, if they're on a winning streak or a losing streak. And again, you have all the information back here to be able to make an educated decision for who you're going to follow, which trade setups you're going to take, and which of the educators you're going to follow. And so that's how the Akashx platform works. But one of the things I want to show you that's unique about Akashx is that we have teamed up with a proprietary trading firm, and this one is called TradeX Mastery. And the reason why we've done this is because we've heard in the trading space where people are burning their own capital in the markets. I've heard horror stories from people who've got into different companies. You know, these companies promise great returns and people have lost tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars. So we wanted to put something together that was safe, that was effective, and that gave people a fair shot. And one of the things that's cool about proprietary trading firms is they let you trade in a demo environment, and it's a trading challenge for you to demonstrate if you're a profitable trader. And so we have tied these trading challenges together to Akashx. And so when you join Akashx, when you start your membership, you're going to get a $10,000 trading challenge. So if you lose the challenge, you don't lose any of your own money. It was all in a demo environment. But if you win the challenge, you can get a $10,000 funded live account that you can trade on and pull profits out of above $10,000, which was the starting balance. And so to pass these trading challenges, most of the proprietary trading firms are very similar in terms of their rules, but this one in particular, it's 10% in phase 1 and 5% in phase 2. So your goal on a $10,000 account is to profit $1,000 in phase 1, $500 in phase 2. Once you do that, you go to phase 3 where you get funded, and now you have a $10,000 funded account. And the benefit of this is if you were to start with your own capital, and let's say you only have $100 to risk, and you're risking 1% per trade, you're literally making $1 per trade. It's going to take you a long time to build an account from $100 to $10,000. Whereas if you get a funded account for $10,000 and you're risking 1% per trade, now you're earning $100 per trade with other people's money. And what I love about this concept of other people's money is this is like what happens in the real estate industry. Look at real estate investors. They use the bank's money to buy properties. They rent those properties out. They create cash flow. They sell them for a higher value for a profit. And they literally use other people's money to acquire an asset and earn income. And I believe this is no different. You're using other people's capital to trade higher lots, higher leverage, and be able to earn more. And you can use the Akashx education platform to make better decisions about your trades and become a profitable trader in the market. And so if you're ready to join Akashx, it's really simple to get started. You can get started for $149. That's the monthly membership. It comes with all of the built-in trading tools, the advanced scanners, the tap-to-trade technology, the trade alerts, our academy, live sessions, and you also get access to a supportive community. We root you on. We're there to help you win. Our educators are amazing at answering questions and being there every step of the way. And you get a 10K trading challenge. These trading challenges have a real cost to them. They're not free for everybody in the industry. This is a special deal specifically with Akashx, but typically these challenges are $99 for a 10K challenge. People pay all the time $99 to $200 to get a 10K challenge, but with Akashx, it's included in your $149 membership. You can also join for $229, which is an extra $80, and it adds on an amazing travel product called Dream Trips. That's amazing curated experiences, Dream Trip points, VIP lounge access, 24/7 concierge. So if you're into traveling, that is the one that I recommend. If you're somebody that likes to save money and you don't want to be on a monthly subscription, you can prepay for the whole year. You can pay $14.99 for the whole year. You get access to all of the Akashx services for 12 months, and you're saving some money by prepaying for the whole year. And you're also getting a 100K trading challenge. The 100K trading challenge typically costs $500. So right there, you're getting $500 in additional value plus the savings by prepaying for the whole year. One more thing I want to show you guys. One of the things that's unique about Akashx is you have the ability to refer 3 people, and your $149 membership or your $229 membership is completely waived. So think about this for just a minute. You get started in Akashx, you get a free trading challenge, either 10K or 100K, depending on what level you come in at. And if you refer 3 people, you never pay again. This, to me, is one of the smartest decisions that people should be making right now. Because let's say you lose the challenge, and let's say the market goes crazy, and you're not able to, profit with the challenge. You're still learning a super valuable skill set that nobody can take away from you. And I've seen people now in TradeX Mastery pull out over $20,000 in profits. There's hundreds of funded traders. And so it's very rewarding for us to have an academy that's helping people, take the first step into trading, get their accounts passed, get funded, and be on their way to becoming a profitable trader, leveraging other people's money in the market. So if you're ready to get started, you can simply get back to who invited you to this video. You can go to akashx.com / the username of the person who invited you. You can get started. You'll get your own replicated website as well, where you can refer 3 people, get your Akashx membership for free, and start earning in the markets today. So thanks for watching this video, and happy trading.